Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're talking about the Disney Wish cruise that I went on, but specifically about Castaway Cay. So I'm going to be giving you guys a walkthrough of everything I saw Castaway Cay, my thoughts and impressions on the private island that Disney has, and let you guys know what my thoughts are and kind of what you guys can expect if you guys go to this Disney's private island, Castaway Cay. So let's go ahead and get into the video.
Gaming tech, eating brekkie is the gaming tech. Going for a brekkie is the gaming tech. Gaming tech is the gaming tech. Gaming techie.
We arrived at Disney's private island, Castaway Cay. It's a lot bigger than I ever thought it was. I didn't realize how big it was. You actually need tram cars to get around the island, considering how big it is. They have a different area for kids. They have a different beach area for adults. And the characters are just everywhere around the island. As we see here, Chip and Dale kind of roaming around here that we see. It's really, really cool that the characters are kind of all around the island. There's a lot to do around the island, too. It's not just beaches like some of the islands I've been to. They have banana boats going on. They have parasailing. They have even basketball courts. They have ping pong going on. They have volleyball nets that you can play at. All of these different things. They have water slides, which we'll see here in a little bit. I mean, there's a lot going on in this island that you can actually do, more so than I see in other islands. It's not just a slab of a beach and you just kind of hang out there. There is that, and the beaches are fantastic and really nice, and the water was great, but there's more going on. We got Captain Jack Sparrow here, kind of sitting here, talking to some guests. Like I said, the characters are everywhere on this island, and that's definitely one of the reasons why, you know, it is Disney. I just didn't realize how many characters would actually be on the island. I thought they would kind of just be on the boat and we might see one or two, but I was definitely proven wrong. There's characters everywhere on the island, and it was really cool to see. You can even see here on this map all the attractions and everything they have going on and how big this island actually is. Here we saw Goofy here as we're walking too. We went to the adult area first. We did half the day at Serenity Bay, which is the adult-themed beach. You take a little tram car to get there, like I was talking about before, because it is the Serenity Bay, the adult area, is the furthest out. You could walk it if you want to. There's no reason why you couldn't. It might take you like 20 minutes or so, but the tram car service is really cool. This is just me taking some scenery shots of the island. Here's Pluto coming along on the little car there. As we're walking to Serenity Bay, we saw Mickey, or is that, I can't tell in the video if it's Mickey or Minnie, but it looks like Minnie there in the background there, which is really cool to be able to see her as we're walking around the island. Like I said, they have a lot of things, a lot of shops, and all these different things that you can do, as you can see. And we're obviously heading towards, you could do snorkeling here as well, but we're obviously heading towards the tram here to be able to go to Serenity Bay. So this is us taking the little, literally 3-minute tram car ride to get to Serenity Bay from where it picked you up. Literally 3 minutes. Like I said, you could walk it. It is like a maybe 10 to 15-minute walk from where we started with this tram car. But it is nice that they have tram car services to be able to take you really fast back and forth from everywhere you want to go if you can't walk or don't want to walk. And then this is us arriving at Serenity Bay, the adult area. I'm sitting here on a hammock kind of chilling. The beach was really, really nice. As you can tell, the water, in my opinion, was really warm as well. I was in the water almost the entire time. It wasn't like bath water, I would say, at this time of year, but it was warm enough and way better than the Jersey water I came from. And then here is the kids area. We did go on that slide, even though it's for kids. Everyone can go on it. The slide was actually a ton of fun. They have two different slides, one that's open and one that's closed. And then this is the family beach that everyone kind of goes to. It's the first stop. And the drinks here were fantastic. The water was also really good on here. It was even clearer and less things in the water that I saw on the adult side. So I actually think I like this side of the beach better, except for the fact that there were kids everywhere and it's not the adult area anymore. But as far as the beach goes, I like the family beach better than the Serenity Bay, actually. But fantastic either way. And this is obviously us going back onto the boat there. There's the Disney Wish as we're taking the tram car back to the boat from their private island to get back on the boat here. Nice little scenic route that we took on the tram car. Again, this is definitely my favorite part of the cruise, as far as I didn't realize how much I would actually like Castaway Cay, and their private island is fantastic, and there's a lot to do. The food and the lunch that they include on there was also really good that I didn't show off, that they give you lunch on the island with like burgers, hot dogs, and all that kind of stuff that you would expect. They even have ice cream, their famous ice cream that's on the boat that I kind of forgot to take a video of, I think, for this video. Their ice cream and stuff, and their chicken tenders and stuff is fantastic, and they have it on the island here as well. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys are excited the next time you go to Castaway Cay, and contact me to plan your next vacation. Just like